Boy, have sous vide units changed since 2009 when I started doing them. I'm going to show you a few units today and explain how they changed. This is one of the new units. This is called a mellow unit. The advantage of this unit, you can cool so you can put something in. In this case, we have steak in. It's going to be ready at 4 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock this morning. So it keeps it cool. Then at the precisely right time, we'll heat it up and finish it. Great for people on the go. Bad part of the unit, this is the size that you have. It's not any bigger. You can't do much more than this. That's it. So let's look at some of the other units. For the true space saver, this isn't a bad unit. This is a Codlo, which combines a rice cooker with a sous vide. You just plug it into your counter and go, and it'll keep your rice cooker or a slow cooker at the exact temperature. Again, limited amount of space, not a bad unit. I used it quite extensively. I liked it a lot. This is the mother of all sous vide units, the original, one that was commercially available. When you go to restaurants, this is the one you'll see. It's big, it's powerful, you can put it in a big bath, you can cook a lot of things. It's also expensive, you don't need it. Of all of the sous vide units that are out there today, this is my favorite. It has the most powerful. You can put it in any size pot, from a small stock pot, cooking for one, to a larger pot like this bigger one here. You can cook for a small arm user. It has a great app for your mobile phone. It's about $179 to $199 plus they have great recipes. That's something we all could use, all on a mobile app. Chicken breast. You know what? Most people overcook it and it is like rubber. I learned from my weight loss surgery patients, they were getting it stuck all the time in their esophagus. The reason that you can cook it perfectly with sous vide is it stays the same temperature all the time. So how do you prep it? Simple. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. That's all you need, but I happen to like a little Middle Eastern spice, so I'm going to put a little bit of za'atar on it. That's how easy it is. You don't even need to have the food sealers anymore, the vacuum sealers. All you need is a Ziploc bag, a little bit of olive oil or butter or duck fat, and attach it to your pot, you're ready to go. Let's look and see if it's golden brown yet. That's perfect. That is the moistest chicken ever. That's why I want you to get a sous vide unit, because until you get chicken cooked perfectly, you're gonna choke it down with sauce. This is delicious. Is moisture a word?